Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on editing the fit notifications on the Realme Watch 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe from left to right on the watch's home screen to open the quick panel. Tap on the settings cog and then tap Fit Notifications. Here you can turn on the toggle for set entry to get notifications to move. You can turn on the toggle for goal achieved to be notified when you have achieved a set goal. You can turn on the drink toggle to get a reminder to drink, and the breathe reminder to be reminded to take a deep breath. You can also turn on the heart rate alert toggle to get a notification when your heart rate is either high or low. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Realme watch tips and tricks.